G'day everyone, and welcome to the fxfjcars.com channel. I just purchased this, what turns out to be a JM radio. It's an Astor, which will be the same as the Air Chief, and I thought you might like to see what's inside. I've already undone the top and bottom panels using the appropriate tools, with that and a hammer, and we'll see what's inside. Speaker grill looks nice. Oh, these are where the head unit cables come down and fit in for the tuning and volume on off. On this side, that looks like the aerial. This warrants some further investigation. It's like an RCA type plug there. And there's something over here which I don't know what that is yet. Okay, so let's take off the lid. We have a nice big roller speaker, F59 19H5 Model K, Richmond, Victoria, Australia. That's good. It's soldered on, so I can't just take that off. I'll just rest it to the side. I've got a wire here. I can see a solder pad on there, so that was for the earth to that bit. Right, what have we got? A 3-gang variable capacitor. I've seen 2-gang, so I'll have to work out why there's 3. This over here is the vibrator. It converts your DC to AC, and it's packed in April 1951 by Electronic Industries Imports Proprietary Limited, Ferrocart Vibrator, South Melbourne. Made in Australia. 150 cycle, 12 volt. So we have a 12 volt radio. Okay, tag strip there with nothing on it. There's a missing valve here. Have to see if that's populated when we turn it over. This is the audio output transformer. I imagine that's the RF stage in the little box, so it doesn't get interference. These are capacitors. I can see Ducon written on those, and I know Plessy Ducon because I used to work for Plessy one stage. And I don't know what these valves are yet. I haven't looked at them. That's a 6BA8. It's interesting. What's that? It's all on the internet, so I can find out what that is. Fun to try and put back in these to get them just lined up nicely. Okay. These will be coils, part of the tuning for each of the stages. Input stage, IF stage, intermediate frequency, etc. And they'll need tuning up once things are changed. So hopefully the valves are right, and that sort of thing. I guess I'm not going to use this because I have a 6-volt car. And we'll turn it over and see, where was that missing valve? Over here. Turn it over and see what's on the wiring side. Excuse me. It's like opening a biscuit tin, isn't it? Right, wiring side, the hole for the magnet on the transformer. Well, what do you see? Lots of paper capacitors. That's probably the main filter capacitor because that's big. These generally get changed out. I don't know how to test them at this stage. If they leak, and I don't mean leak all the goo, just electrically leak, because they should maintain their charge. If they leak, the charge disappears very quickly. Some older type resistors there, I don't know exactly how to read those yet. It looks like a wire wound type of resistor. Some sort of little coil on that bit that I don't know. This goes into the sort of the tuning circuit, so again I don't know, I'll have to research this. Well, this is interesting. A Simplex SM. Now I have a couple of those in my stash, but I don't know what they are. These other ones which are similar, okay, they've got 6 little circles on the back, so I'm guessing they're mica capacitors, and they're read and seen that they're very stable, so they can stay. So if you were to do this up, it's a matter of testing everything that you think is bad, and then turning it on very slowly, probably at a reduced voltage, to see if things start to light up and there's no magic smoke. That one's going to be hard to change. Anyway, that's pretty much it. While I'm talking about this, I'll just talk about the head unit. Just wait a moment while I move this out of the way carefully. Okay, being for some other sort of car, and I don't know because it's an Astor, although Holden's did have them, this is the head unit that came with it, and I'm thinking that I can use it to make a head unit for my radio. Unfortunately, it's upside down because you'll all know that the tone control's on the top, like that. That means that the volume controller's on the wrong side and the tuning controller's on the wrong side. So let's see if we can get this apart. Mandatory felt washer. Some rivets there. Doesn't seem to be anything else holding it. No, that was easy. So now we've got a head unit. Let's see. Okay, we've got the little tuning knob there. You can probably see hopefully see the needle moving. So if I can look at that, it fits perfectly. Tone knob there stopping it, but anyway. Right, so what I need to do is turn this around, get that over there, that there, and turn that upside down. Nice little globes, probably 12 volts. I'll have to change that. So let's look. It's just a nut, 2 nuts, and collar there with a couple of screws. So hopefully, take all those off, it will just fit back through that hole, and then it'll be a matter of turning that over. It's good, it says Air Chief on the dial. And then we've got South Australia and Western Australia radio stations. Woo, seeing we're in Victoria. Great, okay, I think that'll work. I'll let you know in a later video. And I also have a template for where the slot needs to be cut. Okay. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.